Hello and welcome to this session. The ARIS Process Performance Solution Pack for Freshworks shows and analyzes the ITSM process based on Freshworks. The solution pack contains some general information on the process, like number of cases per month or cases started per day. But it also shows the process flow itself with its existing variants. Besides that, the solution pack contains also specific KPIs to answer business questions like how many unattended or reopened tickets do we have? The solution pack offers such analysis and also further deep insights into the ITSM process for Freshworks. The dashboard of the solution pack is therefore divided in separate parts. The first tab, Process Overview, shows some general information on the process. The next tab, the Process Explorer, shows in a graphical way the process flow itself as well as its process variants. The third tab, Overview, gives a detailed overview of duration-related KPIs. Next tab shows analysis of unattended tickets. The last one gives deep insights to the topic of reopened tickets. Okay, let's have a look now on each of the tabs. The first tab, Process Overview, shows some general information on the process. We can see here some key metrics of the process, like the average cases started per day, or also the average number of activities started per day. Below there, we can see the distribution chart of the processes started by week. At the bottom of the page, we can also see the distribution chart by the duration. For deeper insight, we can also select and filter by clicking on the bar or by selecting, for example, a specific attribute. I select the case status and only want to see the closed cases here. As you can see, dashboard is filtered accordingly. The second tab, the Process Explorer, shows the process in a graphical way. Initially, I can see the happy path. Graphic gives me information on each of the single activities in the process. To understand what it means, I can also show a legend explaining the details. Of course, I can also add more activities to get more insights into the process. If I'm interested in a specific activity, I can also select it and see more details on that. Also, connections can be saved as filtered. So I can select here the connection, and then I can see the filtering of this one. If I want to, I can also go to the so-called variant panel, which shows me the different variant of the processes. Also here, I'm able to select different variants, and also this one can be used as a filtering of the whole dashboard. Going back to the overview, I can see that the dashboard is filtered according to my variant selection. The next tab shows an overview on duration-related KPIs. First of all, we can see the overall throughput time of all cases selected here. The next KPI, the initial reaction times, indicates how long it takes until the first processing step in the process. The third one, the processing time itself, means how long does it take from the first processing step until the end of the case. Below, we can see here the distribution chart indicating here again the three KPIs, but now I can see them stacked, so I can have here deeper insights. Of course, I can also filter it here with the help of the status, and also, if I want to, here by the priority. In the list below here, we can see then the selected cases and also some further details on the processes. For example, if the ticket was reopened or if it is indeed an unattended ticket. These two aspects we will also see on the next tabs here. The last tab gives information about reopened tickets. A reopened ticket is a ticket where the status open was set after setting a final state. I can see here the number of reopened tickets overall, as well as the percentage. I can see here also the reopened ticket in green in relation to the rest of the tickets sorted by the priority. On the right-hand side, I have again the possibility with the Process Explorer to further filter the processes. And in the list here, I can see each of the single steps going through the processes.